Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with some scientific notation, and with that in mind, I'm going to get straight into the question. Now they've given us this really small number of 0,000000207, and they've asked us to write it in scientific notation. Now the way I would always approach this is I would rewrite the number, and it would be 0,123,123,207. Now remember, when it comes to scientific notation, we want to move this comma to this point over here. So to the point where you've got the very first number separated by the decimal places. Okay, so I'm going to change the pencil color here, and I'm going to move this comma to the right by the number of spaces required. So let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's keep that number in mind, 7. Okay, so we know our ultimate answer is going to equal 2,07 because we've moved the comma to that point. Now we need to multiply this by 10, and we need to add an exponent. And we've moved the comma 7 spaces to the right. So we know our exponent is going to be 7. Now we need to ask ourselves, is the exponent going to be a positive 7 or a negative 7? Now I want you to look at this number over here. Do you notice that this number is much bigger than the original number? That means that this number, okay, needs to be multiplied by a 10 that decreases this number back to this very small number, which means we would need to multiply it by 10 with a negative exponent. And the exponent is going to be 7 because we've moved it 7 spaces to the right. But very importantly, it's going to be minus 7, so that once we multiply this number by the 10 to the minus 7, it takes us back to this very small number. Remember, you need to include your units as well, millimeters squared, and that will get you the full marks for the question. Very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Remember to check out our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the video that answers your question, you can send us the question and we will respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.